there's a lot of noise, a lot of chatter and 4 voices. So I can see Odile is already frustrated with that and taking charge, which is a good sign. Morning, 10 minutes, we're off to the beach.
We're gonna train very hard today.
They hate when you elevate. You're stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. I feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, that's why I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate. Elevate, yeah.
I'm excited. Just gonna get some more time on the water, learn a little bit more, and hopefully just improve a little bit. Yeah, should be a good day.
Yeah, I hope you're ready for the comeback. Stay now.
Feeling good? Wind is coming in.
Forecast looking bright for the comeback. Can't ignore it, promise you can never sun that. I pray for it, get ready for the comeback. Yeah, I think it's time for the comeback.
Really positive day, massive learning. It really felt like they were working as a team and commanding the boat. So yeah, I mean, I'm delighted.
We've just come together. You don't know these people and you have to make it work. And it's been going really well so far. So I'm very excited for the ball d'Or.
But there it is, the Oceanographic Centre.
Hello girls, welcome to the Fundación Oceanographic here in Valencia. We would like to show you all of the conservation work we are doing here with the Mediterranean species.
I think it's really fascinating how they have so many different types of turtles here and how they're setting the example actually for Europe and the rest of the world for rehabilitating them.
We've had an incredible couple of days. Well done, everyone. It's been amazing. But the main challenge lies ahead. Here's to Geneva. We'll see you there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.